3 layers of steel on the front of this frame. So we're going to drill this hole out right here. So I like to start with a 1/2-inch drill bit. That really marks the location of the hole really nice. So you put that right in there, hang on to your drill. And I like to drill just enough that after you drilled the kind of pilot hole where it's going, I like to switch to a smaller size drill bit. The cameraman needs some work here. And then we're going to go ahead and drill through the frame. Okay, make sure you're wearing safety glasses and ear protection and the COVID mask and all that good stuff. So now we switch back to the 1/2-inch drill bit. So once you've drilled the hole, right here, you see the hole? Then you install this 1/2-inch by however long bolt. We'll figure that out in the installation instructions. You got a washer?
Yep.
And then you tighten it. You want to get a nice shot of the inside of that, where your tawdry is. See how nice and tight that is now? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, with the option for a 9th bolt right there. So then you put the passenger side on. This goes on like so. And you have that nice clearance around the rivet hole, the rivets, attaches that bumper bolt brace. You can add this 1/2-inch bolt up here where the bumper bracket goes on.